My name is Mark Flinn. I'm the finishing manager here at Allied Printing Services in Manchester, Connecticut. I've been here 33 years. Recently, in the last year and a half, we replaced our old palamides equipment with the delta703, and we are very, very pleased. What the new delta703 has offered us is the ability to not only paper band on the folders, but to paper band on the saddle binders. We saw years ago the savings of people utilization. We went from using 2 to 3 helpers on a folder to running the folder at top speeds without any helpers, just the operator catching for himself. We realized health benefits for our people. The ergonomics of the machine, the way it's positioned, the way it delivers to the operator, less back problems, less bending problems, less trouble with your hands. The added bonus, you cannot get nesting on this machine. We've had clients in the past that have sent back jobs due to having nesting. These machines eliminate nesting. The new models, the Deltas, we can utilize on our saddle binders. We do a lot of double digest work on our saddle binders, and we can paper band in line now with the Deltas. All of the benefits that we realize on the folders, we can realize on the saddle binders now as well, and it's just been a great benefit to the company, Allied Printing.
Allied Printing. The name stands for the alliance between the company, the employees, and the best possible customer service. So they allow the customer to stand by its claim. They can relax because Allied Printing doesn't. And Palamides USA is proud to be a full partner with Allied Printing.